Hello D Nation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the 2018 Harley-Davidson 48 Special, the Australian version, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Harley-Davidson diecast motorcycle replica comes in a Harley-Davidson affiliated window type box, which is a standard boxing by Maisto. So as you can see, bang in the middle on the base plate this model comes on is the Maisto logo alongside the name of this model, which is the 2018 Harley-Davidson 48 Special. And on this bottom corner of the packaging, you will see the Maisto logo alongside the Harley-Davidson logo as well. And on this top corner of the box, you will find the scale of this model, which is a 118 scale. And on top of the box is the Maisto logo and the Harley-Davidson official licensed product branding. And on this side of the box, you will find the Maisto logo and the Harley-Davidson logo along with the HD custom branding, which is pretty much the same on the back of the box and on the other side as well. And finally, on the bottom of the box, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite stunning and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. And the sculpt, the detail and finish on this replica is simply amazing and sure will make a good addition to your collection. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this Harley-Davidson 48 replica comes with a black chassis with a white and black color scheme which is prominent all throughout this model, along with some chrome accents, minimalistic decals and Harley-Davidson branding. This replica comes with a chrome and black steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of the color theme on this replica. And this model also comes with a well-detailed headlight and a pair of front turn signals that are in chrome. You will also see a retro-style speedometer that flows into an all-black handlebar with a pair of hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers, along with a pair of rear view mirrors. Moving down is a black front fender that wraps around a beautiful black alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with a single disc brake unit which is in chrome. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in white with some amazing striped decals which are in different colors with the Harley-Davidson logo and name on both sides which are in white, along with the fuel tank cap in silver which seamlessly flows together as a single unit. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well-detailed V-twin engine sculpt which is in black for the most part with some highlights in silver and chrome, along with the 1200 branding on the engine cap which looks stunning. And this beautiful and well-detailed engine sculpt is connected to a dual exhaust which is in black and chrome with the rest of the midsection components in chrome. And talking about the seat, it's a single saddle seat which is in black with some details that flow into a well-sculpted tailpiece unit which has a rear fender with a pair of rear turn signals on it, along with the tail light and a number plate mounted on the left side. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front but comes with a chain and sprocket unit along with a single disc brake unit which is in chrome. And just so you know, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension unlike the front which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2.5 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, all I can say is that this is a unique, elegant and well-detailed die-cast variant of the 2018 Harley-Davidson 48 Special, and I'm glad I got this replica to add to my 118 scale die-cast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful die-cast replica with some awesome details and is a definite must-have for any die-cast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Harley-Davidson enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the Best Buy link for this die-cast replica in the description below. And with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed 2018 Harley-Davidson 48 Special replica on the D-Nation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, by the looks of it, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors. And this Harley-Davidson motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing die-cast replica on the D-Nation turntable and take a look at this die-cast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Harley-Davidson 48 Special coming up. Harley-Davidson is an American motorcycle manufacturer founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Along with Indian, it was one of the two major American motorcycle manufacturers to survive the Great Depression. The company has survived numerous ownership agreements, subsidiary agreements, periods of poor economic health and product quality, and intense global competition to become one of the world's largest motorcycle manufacturers and an iconic brand widely known for its loyal following. There are owner clubs and events worldwide, as well as a company-sponsored brand-focused museum. Harley-Davidson is noted for a style of customization that gave rise to the chopper motorcycle style. The company traditionally marketed heavyweight, air-cooled cruiser motorcycles with engine displacements greater than 700cc, but it has broadened its offerings to include more contemporary and middleweight platforms. In the 2010 model year, Harley-Davidson introduced the XL 1200X 48 model. It is similar to the Dark Knightster style but has that classic 1948 style with a small peanut tank, wire wheels, forward controls, a wider front tire with a fat front end and chopped front fender, a slammed speedo with undermount mirrors, low solo single seat and low suspension. And for further information on the Harley-Davidson 48 Special, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing 2018 Harley-Davidson 48 Special replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Harley-Davidson die-cast replica. And this brings us to the end of this die-cast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.